Assalamu alaikum, dear students. How are you? Welcome to my class. Today's class is for 9 and also 10. Today's topic is changing sentence. You heard about this or transformation of sentences. Changing sentence and transformation of sentence, same thing. Now one thing you have to know at first, that is a sentence is changed in two ways. A sentence is changed in two ways. One is changing structure and meaning. Changing structure plus meaning. That means you will change the structure of a sentence and also meaning. This is called conversion of sentence. But changing structure without meaning. Changing structure without meaning. That means you will change only structure, not meaning. মানে তুমি শুধু গঠন পরিবর্তন করবে, অর্থের পরিবর্তন করা যাবে না। That is called changing sentence or transformation of sentence. Look, for example, he is honest. This is affirmative. We will do affirmative to negative today also. He is honest. This is affirmative. But if I write down he is not honest, then structure is changed here because not is added here, and also meaning changed. That means he is honest, he is not honest. সে সৎ নয়, পুরো অর্থটাই চেঞ্জ হয়ে গেল. This is conversion of sentence. But if I write down he is not dishonest, মানে সে সৎ, he is honest, he is not dishonest, তার মানে সে অসৎ নয়. So what's the meaning? সে সৎ, he is honest. So this is called changing sentence. That means here is a structure change but not meaning. So today we will do changing sentence, and today we will do affirmative to negative. Affirmative to negative. Affirmative, which sentence is affirmative? Already I done here. Those sentence is absent, not is absent. They are affirmative. Look, he is a good boy. In this sentence there is no not, no negative. So he is a good boy, it is affirmative. But if I add any not here, then it will be negative. Look, but I already shown here that if you add only not, it will change its meaning. So you have to find out keyword. What is the keyword, main word, which the meaning contain. Look, good is the keyword of this sentence. You will find out keyword and then add not and opposite word. Look, he is, you have to add not with auxiliary verb. He is not a. If I now write down good, then meaning will be changed. But if I write down bad, opposite word, good, bad, then meaning will not change. Other it is same. He is not a bad boy. So what's the meaning? That means he is a good boy. He is not a bad boy means he is a good boy. This is now negative. In this way, you have to find out keyword and add not with auxiliary verb and add opposite word of main word or key word. Now number 3, look, Kamal is active. What is the key word in this sentence? Active. So it is affirmative. If I make it negative, how I will make it? Kamal, what is the auxiliary verb here? Is. So write down is and not also. But if you write down active now, then meaning will change. So we won't change the meaning. So what we will do? Opposite word of active. What is the opposite word? Inactive. Look, Kamal is not inactive. That means Kamal is active. Structure is changed, but meaning is same. No change. So there are some sentences where you will find out key word and write down not with auxiliary verb and write opposite word. So what is the rule of this sentence? Rule is, if you see such type of sentences, find out key word. What is the key word? Main word, the contain main meaning of the sentence. So what is the rule? Add not with auxiliary verb. Auxiliary verb plus not plus opposite word. Opposite word of keyword. This is the rule in such type of sentences. You have to, if you see such type of sentences, then you will make negative in this way. But there are some other rules also. Suppose only. If you see only in any sentence, then you have to use none but instead of only. Look, only Allah can help us. Again, only He sells only only books. Again, number 3, she is only 13. Look, I wrote here 3 sentences. In every sentence, I write down only, only, only. So what's the rule? If you see any only in the sentence, they all are affirmative sentence. So when you will make them negative, you will write down none but after instead of only. Where? There you will get any person. Look, here is Allah. Though Allah is not a person, but in here, if I write down He, it is person. Is Allah. If you write Allah, then also write down none but. So when you will see any person after only, then you will write down none but. So what's the answer? None but, number 1, none but He can help us. Just write down none but instead of only when after it one person is written. But when you see, here is also only, but books is not person, it's things. So when you will see after only things, not person, then you have to write down nothing but. So what will be number 2? He sells nothing but books. That means when after only you will see any person, you will write down none but instead of only. But when you will see any things after only, then you will write down nothing but. Look here, 13, it is is. When you will see any is after only, then you will write down not less than or not more than. Answer number 3. She is not more than or not less than, whatever, more than 13. So it is instead of only. After this only there is is. So when you see any is or time, after only you will write down not more than or not less than. So what's the rules? If you see only, when you see any only in the sentence, only or all, sorry, alone. Alone also same. If you see any only or alone, you will write down none but when it is person. None but when you will see any person. Nothing but when it is thing. Not less than, not more than, or not less than when it is or time mentioned in the sentence. So this is the rule for only or alone. Now another sentence, every. Look, everybody loves him. When you see any every in the sentence, write down there is no. There is no. Then write down here is body or man or whatever written. There is no body. Then add one but. But then as usual loves him. So if you see any, every or all, here will be all or every. Then you write down there is no, then the word written body, one, man, whatever, then one, you have to add one but. There is no but. Loves him. Okay? It's a long topic. This one day is not enough for this. This is small things I shows. Then next time we will explain them one after another, because it is very long, many days need to complete today after this. Thank you very much, dear students. See you again.